Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and its password because Netplwiz changes sign-in behavior immediately. Once ready, press Win+R, type Netplwiz, and hit Enter to open the user account's window. Make sure the account you want to change is selected. This matters because Netplwiz applies settings per user. Now, uncheck the box labeled Users must enter a username and password to prepare for entering credentials and enabling automatic sign-in. Once you click Apply, Netplwiz prompts for the username and password so Windows can store credentials securely for automatic sign-in. Enter the exact account name, the current password, and confirm it. Mismatched entries prevent sign-in. Make sure you understand whether the account is local or domain. Domain accounts may require different policies and won't always allow auto-login. After confirming, click OK and test by signing out or rebooting to verify the change took effect. To finish, reboot the PC to confirm auto-login is active and Windows signs into the chosen user automatically. If it does not, reopen Netplwiz and carefully re-enter the credentials. Typos are the most common culprit. If settings revert unexpectedly, make sure Group Policy, Windows Hello, or Company Management tools aren't enforcing sign-in requirements, since those override Netplwiz. As a key troubleshooting tip, always verify you still have an admin account with a known password before relying on auto-login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.